Welcome back to week 3 of my Wegovy maintenance journey. Here's my latest weigh-in and this week's injection. After that, I'll share how my appetite has been, any side effects I've experienced, and my honest thoughts after 3 weeks on Wegovy. Let's get started. So, week 3, I must honestly say that I was so surprised that I was feeling good. So, if we pick back up from where we left off last week, which was week 2, and the various different side effects that I experienced, I must say they are gone. I would have to say, as far as with the appetite suppression, I think that it's still there, lingering around, so to speak, because I'm still taking a little longer to want to eat, but I'm eating, which is the plus. I'm not doing like I did on week 1 where I had to go back and eat my food. I'm still able for this week to just eat as normal. So I'm thinking the suppression is still there, or if it's just something normal to me, because this is what I experienced when I was on Zepbound, just feeling content. So I'm back to feeling content. So that's a plus. Now, as far as with the headache, I do still feel a little something, but nothing for me to want to take anything. So that's good. As far as that issue that I was talking about with my chest, I'm not feeling that. I didn't have any cramping in my upper stomach, which was good. So yeah. So this is week 3. So what I'm thinking is, I know every journey is different, but I want to say I think that the medicine is starting to actually, kick in in my body, to where my body is, I want to say now, kind of used to having this medicine, because it is week 3, and if I'm not mistaken, when I was on the Zepbound, when I started the Zepbound 2.5, it was around roughly week 3 or 4 that I started to feel comfortable. So I was able to also get my walking in this week without no problem. Doing a little bit of the strength training, just because I still want to be on the safe side with what was going on right here. But I am getting that in. So I'm hoping that no issues will arise going forward, long as I'm on the 0.25. But let's talk about the weight. So I did give you all a snippet. So as far as with my weigh in, so I did do a snippet of that earlier. So I weighed in. What I do is I actually weigh in on that Saturday after the prior week. So last week was week 2. I weighed in on Saturday, which was July the 18th, and I weighed in at 154.8. So went up 0.3, which is no major concern, because I am trying to stay in maintenance, which is under the 160 pounds. I'm trying to maintain weight under 160. And that's pretty good for being on the starter dose of Wegovy. So yeah, that's a win. So as far as my thoughts, as far as where I see myself going, I know it's still early, but see myself going for this Wegovy. The way my body is adjusting as of now, I'm thinking that this could be the medicine that that I am on until further notice, for my maintenance, GLP-1 maintenance, just because, like I mentioned before in my previous video, as long as I didn't have the side effects, and I could maintain I would consider staying on this Wegovy 0.25 or whatever my doctor decides to put me on after the second box that I do have a prescription for, and as then probably potentially doing self-pay. So far with week 3, feeling good. I'm thinking that I may end up staying on the Wegovy. Now, I must say that there is a difference between the medicines from what I can tell with my body thus far. There is some differences. There's some pros and some cons to some things, even though this medicine is, is for weight management, it does give some benefit for some autoimmune conditions or inflammation, and it does help in that way for certain people. And the only thing that I did notice that I'm watching out for before I finish that second box is any more like flares with HS, is what I've always mentioned, because with Zepbound I didn't have any flare-ups for the when I started in May of last year up until this June. I didn't have any flare-ups, and so my goal is to always, if possible, if one medicine is working for certain things, I would prefer to just have one medicine, especially if I'm paying for it. But yeah, so that is what I noticed for this week 3 update. I don't think I have anything else pressing to talk about. So that was how week 3 went. I am going to end this video, and if you are following me on this journey, I'll add in the playlist in the description, so that way you can go back and look at the prior weeks. They'll be in order, because my goal is to try my best to journal the 8 weeks of being on this Wegovy, since I did transition off of Zepbound, just to give you all some idea of how the transition from Zepbound to Wegovy is going. So yes, that is it. I am still maintaining on the 0.25 of Wegovy. Side effects have subsided, and hopefully they will stay hidden. But that is it for this video. You all enjoy your week and your health journeys, and I will catch you all in the next video for week 4. Make sure, if you haven't done so, if you like the videos, the content that I put on my channel, consider clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Other than that, I'll talk to you all next week.